Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we have the Spring Margot Elena, so let's get into this and unbox some beautifulness. Margot Elena is basically a perfumer. There will probably be perfumes or candles, hand creams, body creams, that kind of thing. That's what we're going to get in here. It is always packaged so beautifully. I love this box. It is $59.95 and $6.95 shipping in the US. So it's not an inexpensive one, but it's so beautiful and it's only quarterly and I like it and it makes me happy. So we're gonna get right into it. As of when I am making this box, and I can't believe I'm getting ready to say these words. Maybe it's because the price went up a little bit, I'm not sure. There are still spring boxes available. I cannot tell you if I've ever made one of these videos and at the time I was making it, still had the box be available. Now, it might not be, I'll let you know here as I'm editing it, if it is still available. But the fact that even when I'm making this and I've received it, it's still available. It usually sells out a month before it ships is amazing. When we open it up, it is so pretty inside. They put the pretty little sticker up top that matches the month, and then that's what it looks like. Take our paper out. That's basically just going to tell us what's in here and its value. They say you will get a $200 value in the box. So it ends up costing about $67, but you will have a $200 value of things that you could actually go to her website and purchase. It's not like you're getting old stuff or anything like that. These are things that you can purchase at the website. Did you see how nicely it was wrapped? So we're just going to dig into this, go through it real quickly, and I will tell you a little bit about it all. First out, and I will do this first and we'll get it out of the way because it's got a grapefruit on it, so I know what that means. It's not ending well for me. It is the Cottage Greenhouse Grapefruit and Blood Orange Dry Body Oil. So I will show you what this looks like on the inside, but we can't try it because I don't want to waste it because I can pass it along like it stands now. That's what it looks like. I am allergic to grapefruit. If you watch the channel, you know that I can't use anything with grapefruit in it. So I have tried their dry oils. I like them very much. I'm not sure I really understand the theory of a dry oil. It's still an oil, but they're very nice. And I have the apricot fig. That doesn't sound right. I'll try and let you know here that also. But I have one and a backup one, and I like it a lot. And the paperwork says this has a $28 value. Next out, also unwrapped, we have the Tokyo Milk Make Me Blush Magnolia, Honeysuckle, Jasmine Vine, and Bourbon. And it is a rich lotion shea butter. Well, that is what it looks like. Let me look and see. Let's see if it is a body lotion. Does it say Make Me Blush? Is that what I said? Yes, Make Me Blush. So this is a hand cream and it has a $23 value. So when we take it out, they usually slide. Yeah, they slide. It's so, they're just so beautifully done. And that is what the back looks like. And then, so they're just so, everything is just so pretty. It is sealed. I have so many hand creams going that I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it sealed. I will assume it smells like heaven because all of their products do. I have never tried one of her hand creams that I did not love. Next out, I'd say this is a shower gel if I were guessing. We can smell this because I go through some shower gel. This one is Lalia and it is the Water Lily and Sun Blossoms Perfumed Shower Gel number 43. Most of the products in here will be Tokyo Milk, Lalia, the Cottage Greenhouse. Is there any others that I'm forgetting? I'm probably forgetting somebody, I'm sure. Library of Flowers. Library of Flowers is the one that I was forgetting. I got everything else. Those are the brands that Margot Elena sends out. I think probably they're all in-house brands. Oh, that smells so pretty and fresh. Perfect for spring. This is just absolutely divine for springtime. Very floral. And I will say what I always say when I unbox this box. If you don't love florals, this box is not for you. Her scents are primarily florals. This is lovely, perfect for spring. If I didn't say that, had a $23 value. Next out, I have the Tokyo Milk Kiss Kiss Lip Balm. It comes in this. How cute is that? I love that. Oh, it's big. It's bigger than the average size lip balm. Can you guys tell that? It's about the size of my thumb, not like, it's normally like that. This one is bigger around. It says Tokyo Milk on it. The paperwork says it has a $10 value. Oh, that's nice. What is that? Oh, it's very nice. It has much more It's not like chapstick. It doesn't have that real waxy feel. I thought it was going to because of the way it looked, but once it's on your lips, it really starts melting and it gives you a really much softer feel than that. This says that it is black cherry. I concur. It has kind of a black cherry scent to it. I don't think I taste it. No, I don't taste black cherry, but it smells really nice and lip balm. I love lip balm. Next out, I have cards. Cute little Easter cards, I think. Chicks Night Out. I assumed Easter because it had little chicks on it, but it says Chicks Night Out. That is so cute. So if you wanted to ask a friend for a night out or just, it's adorable. The other one says, you're still irresistibly foxy. And look at the fox. It's all decked out. It has glitter on it and everything. You get the cutest. These are Tokyo Milk. You get the cutest cards in this box. They are adorable. The paperwork says that has an $11 value, which would be $5.50 for each card, and I believe that. Cards, you know cards. All right, next we have the Library of Flowers American Small Batch Perfumery Field and Flowers. And that is what it looks like. Let's see if I can get a scent off of this. Oh, it's very pretty. I have perfume on today, so I can't spray me. So we'll spray this nice piece of paper. Oh, that's very fresh and light. I like that. A lot of her perfumes have a heavier scent, so I like that this one is a lighter, springier scent. This lid that fits on top is so heavy. It makes it feel like quality. See what the top looks like? This has a $42 value. Next up, we have a candle. I love candles. This is Cast of Characters, Cut Greens, Flowering Lotus, and Watercress. It is the Library of Flowers Willow and Water Luminary. And that is what it looks like. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, very nice, very light, very springy. Nailed spring. This box nailed spring. I always love what we get in these boxes, but sometimes I'm like, but was it really springy or was it really fall? This is spring, hands down, spring. It smells so fresh and nice and light. I love this. I think this is gonna go downstairs and be in the bedroom. I like this a lot. It's so pretty, isn't it? Oh, my light went out. We'll fix it later. We have a couple things left, but lying secretly on the bottom, like I was gonna miss it, I have something that's very flat. What is this? Oh, it's trying to fall out. Unlocking every last drop of beauty. Slide the key onto the end of the hand cream tube. Gently turn the key from bottom to top and never lose a precious drop. That is fantastic. So it's like one of the old school, like you used to see in magazines. I'm not this old, where you used to do this with toothpaste. It used to come in an aluminum tube and they made these keys. This is fantastic. Not to mention, how pretty is it going to look? Just here, let's get our tube out. How pretty is it going to look sitting on your vanity with this on the bottom now? So in theory, you will just put this on the bottom, and as you use it, you will just, I was gonna try and make it stay, but it's still full, it's hard. As you turn it, it will just stay, and you'll just keep twisting it down so that you get all of it out. That is so cute. I have so many of these that I use that I am very excited to have this. I love the way it looks too. So just for the record, I was reading off the back. That is what it looks like in its paperwork. This with the hand cream would make a spectacular gift. Spectacular. Uh-oh, both lights are out now. Last but not least, we have something really big and heavy. I'm not sure what it is, so we'll see. I think it's gonna be a body cream. I love these body creams. They are always so rich and so comforting on dry skin. I use them through the summer. They usually smell unbelievable. They use that, can you guys hear? They use that kind of bubble wrap that they can literally make stick to itself so everything arrives perfectly. And yet, when you take it off of the product, it's not even a little bit sticky. Even the paper, it didn't even hurt the paper. This is so pretty, look guys. Look how pretty that is. And then can you tell that it is so springy this season. Breathe, peony and white lily, cocoa butter, body butter. This body butter has a $40 value. I'm here to tell you, I bet this weighs a pound and a half. It is so heavy. The candle was $14 if I did not tell you. I feel like that's one I missed. And the key was $10 if that was one I missed. Our overall value in this box is $201. They nail it every month. I don't know how they get it so perfect. They say you will have a $200 value, and I would say 9 months out of 10, it is between 200 and 205. Oh my goodness, this smells so good, so light, which is absolutely what I want in the spring. Here, let's put a little bit on. Oh, there's a little in the lid. Perfect. I've got just a little bit from the lid. Oh, that's just, yeah, it's just nice and light. It absorbs immediately. I love her products. I love them from how pretty they are sitting on my vanity or in my bathroom, wherever they happen to sit, to the actual product, how well it goes on, how nicely it absorbs, how moisturized it leaves me feeling, to the scents. I just love these products. So while the box is a little pricier than some of the boxes that we do get, I mean, it is $59.95 plus 69, not 69, plus $6.95 shipping. So it is pricey, but these are all real products. Well, not that we don't always get real products. These are all products that you can go to her site, that people do go to her site and just purchase. They call this, or they used to, I'm not sure if they still do or not, they call it a discovery box to really introduce people to her products, and it's fantastic. I love the scents. If you don't love florals, everything about this box that we had this time was floral. This is a floral box. So if florals aren't your fave, I would take a pass. If florals aren't your fave, but you love this kind of thing, check out Lush. I know, showing one box, talking about another. All right, that was the number 18 Margot Elena spring box. We got, how many products did we get? I'm gonna count the cards as 1. 9 products if I count the, so 10. 10 products, or 9 if we just count the cards as 1 product. You know what? Just counted it on here, it would have been perfect. All right, guys, let me know below what you think. It's so pretty and it smells so good. Thanks again so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here, and I will see you really soon. Go out, enjoy your spring. Bye, guys.